Abu Rayhan Muhammad ibn Ahmed al Biruni was born on 4 October, 1973 in the city of Kat, Kharazm, Samanid State. Abu Rayhan al Biruni is a Tajik by nationality, an encyclopedic scientist and thinker, the author of numerous major works on history, geography, philology, astronomy, mathematics, mechanics, geodesy, mineralogy, pharmacology, geology and other sciences. Biruni mastered almost all the sciences of his time. The list of Biruni's works, compiled by himself around 1036th year, contains more than 100 names. He wrote his scientific works in Arabic and Persian. In the very first work Chronology, or Monuments of Past Generations, the 1000th year of Albert did not collect and described all the calendar systems known in his time, used by various peoples of the world, and compiled a chronological table of all epochs, starting from the biblical patriarchs. In the work India, completed in the 1030th year, or a book containing explanations of the teachings belonging to the Indians, acceptable by reason or rejected by Albert, he gave a detailed scientific and critical description of the way of life, culture, and science of the Indians, outlined their religious and philosophical systems, quite accurately transposing the teachings of classical Sankhya, the theory of cosmic evolution, the teachings on the connection of the soul with a thin body and others. The famous legend about the creator of the game of chess is also set out here. Biruni devoted 45 works to astronomy. A popular introduction to astronomical science is the book Admonition to the Rudiments of the Science of Stars, written about 1029th year and has come down to us in two versions, in Arabic and Farsi. This book consists of 530 questions and answers on geometry, arithmetic, astronomy, geography, chronology, astrolabe and astrology. Biruni's main work on astronomy is the Masood Canon on Astronomy and Stars. Biruni considered the hypothesis of the movement of the Earth around the Sun. He claimed the same fiery nature of the Sun and stars, in contrast to the dark bodies of planets, the mobility of stars and their huge size compared to the Earth, the idea of gravity. Biruni carried out observations on the Anasovi built in a marked square with a radius of 7.5 meters, performing them with an accuracy of 2. He established the angle of inclination of the ecliptic to the equator, calculated the radius of the Earth, described the change in the color of the moon during lunar eclipses and the solar corona during solar eclipses. Biruni paid great attention to mathematics, especially trigonometry. In addition to a significant part of the canon of the masses of the Uda, he devoted to it an essay on the definition of chords in a circle using a polyline inscribed in it. Here we consider a number of theorems belonging to Archimedes, not preserved in Greek manuscripts, about Indian Rashiks. In this book the so-called triple rule, the sphere, the book of pearls about the plane of the sphere and others. A treatise on shadows, several treatises on the astrolabe and other astronomical instruments, and a number of works on geodesy are devoted to the issues of applied mathematics. In the 1038th year, Biruni wrote Mineralogy, or a book of summaries for the knowledge of jewels, in which the specific gravity of many minerals is determined and detailed information about more than 50 minerals, ores, metals, alloys and others is given. He also compiled a Pharmacognosy in Medicine, a book about medical preparations, a major work that is of great importance in our time. In this book, he described in detail about 880 plants, their individual parts and excretion products, gave their exact signs, and ordered terminology. Biruni collected and explained about 4,500 Arabic, Greek, Syriac, Indian, Persian, Charismatic, Sogdian, Turkic and other names of plants. These synonyms are important for the modern study of the history of pharmacognosy. Despite his Tajik origin, Biruni wrote a small part of his scientific works in Arabic, the scientific language of his time, but Kita Altavim, one of his masterpieces, wrote in his native Persian and then in Arabic, which showed his ability to write equally in both languages. Kitab Altavim is one of the most important early works of science in Persian and is a rich source of Persian prose and lexicography. The book skillfully and in the most detailed way examines the disciplines included in the medieval quadrivium. In June 2000, Iran presented to the United Nations office in Vienna, Austria, a pavilion of Persian scientists located on the central square of the memorial of the Vienna International Center. This pavilion includes statues of 4 famous Persian scientists: Abu Ali ibn Sina, Avicenna, Abu Rayhan Biruni, Zakaria Razi, Rais and Omar Khayyam. Biruni died on the 9th of December in 1048th year at the age of 75.